Hey travelers, today we're uncovering the best travel luggage for 2024. From sleek designs to innovative features, join us for the ultimate guide to elevate your packing game. We tried and tested over 13 different luggage bags to find the top 6 in 2024. So without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 6 on our list goes to the Kenneth Reaction Suitcase, crafted from robust ABS. This suitcase boasts a shock-resistant exterior with reinforced molded corner guards, making it highly durable for those long road trips or flights. Its 4 360-degree spinner wheels also ensure comfortable handling and easy navigation through airports. This suitcase features convenient top and side grab handles, along with 4 molded side feet for upright stability. The user-friendly retractable trolley handle also adds to its practical design. With various colors and sizes available, the Reaction Suitcase suits everyone with diverse preferences. Backed by a limited warranty, it's a reliable investment for travelers seeking style, affordability, and durability. This suitcase comes at a price of $149 on Amazon. Next up at number 5, we have the Coolife Luggage 3-piece. This 3-piece set is an optimal selection for travelers in search of sturdy and budget-friendly luggage. This set comprises 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch suitcases, all meticulously crafted from lightweight and scratch-resistant ABS material. Enhanced maneuverability is achieved with 4 spinner wheels, while a TSA-approved lock ensures added security. Effortless carrying is facilitated by a multi-stage retractable handle, and lifting is made easy with top and side grab handles. The spacious interior, featuring compression straps, enables efficient packing, and the fully lined interior with zippered pockets ensures systematic storage. Designed to withstand the rigors of travel, the Coolife Luggage 3-piece is a compelling choice for those who prioritize both durability and affordability. The 3-piece set comes at a price of $180 on Amazon. Remember, links to all luggage sets will be in the description below. Coming in at number 4, we have the Briggs & Amp Riley Sympatico. Designed for the modern traveler, this collection seamlessly combines style and functionality. Crafted from durable Macrolon polycarbonate, its sleek Hardside construction is lightweight yet resilient. The innovative compression expansion system allows a 25% increase in packing capacity. Inside, the Sympatico offers a well-organized space with a large zip-around pocket and 2 smaller mesh pockets. Effortless maneuverability is achieved with smooth-rolling 360-degree spinner wheels, complemented by molded soft touch-top carry handles for added comfort. The aircraft-grade aluminum retractable handle incorporates a patented push-button locking mechanism, ensuring secure handling. This luggage bag is also available in various sizes and colors, proving to be a stylish and practical companion for any journey, whether it's a short weekend getaway or an extended business trip. Trust the Sympatico to keep your belongings well protected and organized. This bag comes at a price of $600 on Amazon. At number 3 on our list, we have the Delsey Paris Cruise 3.0 Trunk. This luggage bag caters to travelers seeking an expansive and adaptable suitcase. Crafted from 100% polycarbonate, a lightweight and durable material, it ensures resilience throughout your journeys. The trunk's 30/70 split opening facilitates efficient packing, with a deeper compartment for larger items, complemented by a mesh divider and adjustable straps for organization. Maneuverability is a breeze with the 4 dual-density spinner wheels, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride over diverse terrains. The trunk's user-friendly features include a grab-and-go front handle for easy lifting. Security is paramount, featuring a built-in TSA-approved lock for peace of mind. In summary, the Delsey stands out as an excellent choice for those in need of a spacious, durable, and secure suitcase. This suitcase goes for a price of $288 on Amazon. Taking second place is the Travelpro Platinum Elite Hardside. The Travelpro is a top-tier luggage set designed to meet the demands of discerning travelers. Crafted from resilient, lightweight polycarbonate, this luggage boasts exceptional scratch and impact resistance, ensuring its longevity even through the most rigorous travel adventures. The set's sleek, modern design comes in a variety of colors to complement your personal style. A key highlight of the Platinum Hardside is its precision glide system, featuring 8 MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels that provide effortless maneuverability through crowded airports and train stations. The PowerScope light handle, equipped with contour grip, offers exceptional comfort and ease of adjustment, making it a pleasure to handle your luggage. For added convenience, the bag also features external USB-A and AMP-C charging ports, allowing you to keep your devices powered up while on the go. The Travelpro comes at a price of $370 on Amazon. Our number 1 spot goes to none other than the Samsonite Freeform Hardside. This suitcase stands out as a durable and stylish luggage set tailored for travelers requiring resilience in their suitcase. Crafted from Curve, a lightweight and impact-resistant material that's also scratch-resistant, this set boasts a sleek, modern design with various color options. Navigating through airports and train stations is effortless with the Freeform Hardside's multi-wheel spinner system, offering stability on uneven surfaces. The retractable handle is both comfortable and easily adjustable, while the top and side carry handles facilitate convenient lifting. Packing is a breeze with the Freeform Hardside's 2-inch expansion option for additional capacity. Compression straps aid in organizational efficiency, and the fully lined interior with zippered pockets ensures a secure place for your belongings. Supported by Samsonite's 10-year warranty, this luggage set guarantees lasting durability. The Samsonite comes at a price of $148 on Amazon. In summary, the best travel luggage for 2024 combines innovation, durability, and style, catering to diverse needs and enhancing the overall travel experience. Safe travels ahead.